welcome back to my channel. We have alphabet sheet with some missing alphabets. Let's complete the missing alphabets in this sheet with different colors. I have red, I have a purple, and I have orange, and I have yellow color. Let's do it. Let's start with the A. Can we color this A with this orange color? A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. What is the next letter? It's missing over here. Can we do this with the red color? Let's do this. It's B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. What is the next letter? It's C. Can we color this C with the yellow? Let's do it. C. C for circle. C for circle. What is the next letter? It's D. D. D for dog. D for dog. What is the next letter? It's E. Can we do this with the orange? Let's do it. E for eye. E for eye. What is the next letter? It's F. Let's do it with the red. F. F for fire. F for fire. The next letter is G. Let's do this with the yellow. G for grapes. G for grapes. What is the next letter? It's H. Let's do this with the purple. H. H for hat. H for hat. What is the next letter? It's I. Can we color this I? I with the orange color. Let's do this. I. I for iron. I for iron. What is the next letter? It's J. That's right. Can we do this with the yellow? Let's do it. It's J. J for jug. J for jug. What is the next letter? It's K. Can we do this with the purple? Let's do this. K. K for king. K for king. What is the next letter? It's L. Let's do this with the orange. L. L for lion. L for lion. What is the next letter? It's M. Can we do this with the red color? Let's do it. M. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. What is the next letter? It's N. Can we do this N with the yellow? Let's do it. N for noodles. N for noodles. What is the next letter? It's O. O. Can we do this O with the purple? Let's do this. O for owl. O for owl. What is the next letter? It's P. It's P over here. Let's do this P. P for pencil. P for pencil. The next letter is Q. Let's do this with the yellow. Q. Q for quill. Q for quilt. What is the next letter? It's R. Let's do this with the purple. R. R for ring. R for ring. What is the next letter? It's S. S. Can we do this with the orange? Let's do this. S. S for shark. S for shark. What is the next letter? It's T. Can we do this with the red color? Let's do this. It's T. T for train. T for train. The next letter is U. Can we do this U with the yellow color? Let's do this. U for uniform. U for uniform. What's the next letter here? It's V. V. Can we do this V with this purple? Let's do this. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Let's do this W. Can we color this W with the orange? Let's do this. W. W for water. W for water. The next letter is X. Can we color this X with the yellow color? Let's do this. It's X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. The next letter is Y. Let's do this with the purple. Y. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. The next letter is Z. Z. Can we do this with the orange? Let's do this. It's Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Here we go. We are done with all the alphabets. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye kids.